What is up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Adidas Ultraboost 1.0 Undefeated collaboration in the triple black Blackout colorway. This is a lot nicer than the white ones that came out a couple weeks ago. And I think this one here uses the 1.0 silhouette, so it's like the original Ultraboost and stuff. Retail was $220. I do recommend going your true size for these ones, or you go half up, because this is the 1.0 Ultraboost, and if you guys remember from a couple years back, people were going half size up on these ones, or you could like just loosen up the laces like Kanye West used to do, and wear it like that. Let's check out the branding right here. So we have the Undefeated logo on the right shoe, and the Adidas logo on the left shoe. 3M on both of these logos right over here. Undefeated right across the midsole, the bit of the shoe, with 3M as well. That's the only 3M part about this shoe. Everything else is not 3M. Black laces is the original that comes with the shoe. Extra set of dark gray laces. The laces matches the logo colorway right over here. Kind of hard to tell in this photo, but in person you could really notice the difference. Let's look at the toe real quick. Just two Adidas logo on the toe box. Nothing too crazy. Continental outsole. Standard Ultraboost outsole right here. Heel counter has black Ultraboost wording on the cage along both sides. Here's the tag and the extra laces. The tip of the laces here is just a generic black lace. And then soft, comfy boost that we all come to know and love, with a couple of dots throughout the entire shoe. And let's check out the back tab. Back tab has the Adidas Performance Undefeated Action Training Program. Interesting. Here's the box again. The wrapping paper is not really anything special, just Adidas Ultraboost. No undefeated branding at all. There you have it. Triple black Adidas Ultraboost Undefeated collab. Thank you guys for watching.